You know why? 'Cause tomorrow's my sister's birthday and we're doing the decoration today. So come on in, let me show you the decorations. When we go inside the house, we see these golden drapes here. Aren't these pretty? The theme of the birthday party is King and Queens. And King and Queens mostly use the color golden. So that's why we mostly use the color golden in our decoration. So let's come in and see more. Come on, friends. Let's look at the first decoration and then we'll look at the rest of the same decorations and one more decoration. And that will be it of today's video. So this is the first decoration. This is how it will be. And I'm gonna show you how to make it right now. It's basically like a castle. So let's start. First, I'm gonna get this big mattress. And then I'm gonna step out of the place where I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna adjust it. So now, we'll take a dupatta or a sari for this part. So really what we have to do is take one corner of the sari or dupatta and then scrunch that part up and then scrunch it up until you get it to the last corner of the sari or dupatta. Now I scrunch the part up and now we have to keep a kara or a bangle like this, and you can tie it with yarn, and then you have to take the kara or bangle to the center of the sari or dupatta. That will make both sides of the sari or dupatta equal. Use help of an adult and tie it there, like anywhere you want to, but use an adult's help. Now for both sides of the mattress, take the sari or dupatta and tuck it in, or tuck it in the bottom, and do it on both sides. So here's the next side and the last one. So now like this, here you tuck the corners of the sari in the bottom of the mattress like this. And it has to be like this. If it's not like this, then that means you have to try again. So now use a dupatta and cover the pillow you're going to keep in the sofa or seat. And I had this cute heart pillow, so I also kept this one in. And let me tell you what these are. So that royal families like kings and queens, when they would go to the royal court, they would sit in these types of seats. Now I'll show you some more. This is another one. It has some sparkling lights, rainbow ones. Let's try that. Ooh, these are really comfy. And if you don't have mattresses, you can also use blankets. Like, for making this one, I used blankets because I didn't have that much mattresses. So I used blankets for this one. Isn't it so pretty? And these are the rest. This is how they all look in a big picture with all the decorations. This is the last decoration. You can do your decoration just like this. For the first thing for this decoration, we kept some balloons and then a happy birthday sign. Then we kept numbers 0 to 12 on a sticky note. You can keep your photos underneath them. Isn't this a great idea for a decoration? Let's see how all the decorations look at the end.